Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we have to discuss the basic important terminologies used to describe the blood pressure basically. Clear? So we'll do that. We will first do blood pressure. What is blood pressure? Then we will do what is systolic blood pressure, then what is diastolic blood pressure, then important thing pulse pressure and mean arterial pressure. We will give you explanation about their differences. This is a basic thing to understand. Generally what happen, blood pressure, as we record the blood pressure when you go to clinic, or there are also nowadays home sphygmomanometers available by which we measure these blood pressure. Certain value we get. What is that thing basically? So first, blood pressure. What is blood pressure? If someone asks, simply this is what? This is pressure of blood. Where pressure of blood? Pressure of blood in the vessels. Clear? So systemic blood pressure is basically pressure in the arteries. From where it is generated, that we will do. From left ventricle aorta originates. Clear? Aorta originates from the left ventricle aorta. Then that branches. One branch also goes to where? It goes to human arm, where we measure the blood pressure to sphygmomanometer. Now basically that reading, when we tie the cuff over that and in that brachial artery we measure the blood pressure, certain reading comes like doctor say your blood pressure is 120/80. What is that thing? This is basically pressure of this blood which is present in that artery. That pressure comes from the ventricle. When ventricle pumps the blood go into the arterial tree, that blood exert pressure over these walls of the vessels, vessel wall. That is called pressure. This pressure is blood pressure. Clear that? So understand the pressure. In physics term or in the science term, we can say the pressure exerted by blood over per unit area of vessel wall is called blood pressure. Clear? Now components of this is systolic and diastolic. Systolic as this 120. What is systolic? So systolic we will say this is as higher pressure in the vessels. During systole, when heart pump the blood, heart is pumping the blood, at that time if you measure the blood pressure, that is systolic and higher pressure. So we can say this is what? This is maximum pressure in arteries. During what? During phase of contraction of heart. One phase of contraction of heart is called one cardiac cycle. So simply we can say maximum pressure in the heart arteries during cardiac cycle. And in the cardiac cycle maximum pressure occurs during what? Systole or diastole? Systole. So we can also say maximum pressure in the arteries when heart is in systole. That pressure is called systolic pressure. Generally its value is in a range of from 120 to 130. 120 is labeled as normal. Clear? There is a range specific. Systolic pressure. In the same way, how we will define diastolic? That will be not maximum pressure, lower pressure during the cardiac cycle. Minimum pressure we can say during the cardiac cycle. Minimum pressure in the artery during cardiac cycle, or we will say at that time when there in the artery pressure is low, at that time what events are occurring in the heart? Heart basically is in diastole, not in systole. So minimum pressure, diastolic pressure will be, because the heart at that time is in diastole, so called as diastolic blood pressure. Clear? Simply diastolic blood pressure, minimum pressure in the arteries during cardiac cycle. Pressure in the arteries during cardiac cycle when the heart is in diastole. Maximum pressure or pressure during the systole. is called as systolic blood pressure. This is simple to understand. Now another pressure is known as pulse pressure. This is very important. Pulse pressure is basically mathematical value. This is the mathematical difference between systolic minus diastolic, means systolic and diastolic pressure difference is called as pulse pressure. Suppose our systolic blood pressure is 120, our diastolic blood pressure is 80. This is a normal value. What will be our pulse pressure? What will be their mathematical difference? Mathematical difference will be 40 millimeter mercury unit of pressure. Now this 40 is mathematical difference between systolic diastolic. This is called as pulse pressure. Clear? So pulse pressure is what? Difference between systolic and blood pressure. Another example I will give. This was example when blood pressure is 120/80. Suppose we have hypertensive patient having blood pressure of 160/90. In that value, how I will calculate pulse pressure? 160 minus 90, that will be how much? 70. So 70 will be pulse pressure here. Another example, if suppose our systolic blood pressure is 110, diastolic is 90, we will say 110 minus 90, pulse pressure is 20 here. Clear? Normally 40 is normal. If this is more than 60, that is called wide pulse pressure. If less than 30, generally called as narrow pulse pressure. Clear? So this is pulse pressure difference between systolic diastolic. Another important parameter is called mean arterial pressure. Mean is called average pressure in circulation, and this mean is not the mathematical average between systolic and diastolic. Mean should be, you should understand mean arterial pressure. How we calculate mean? Mean we calculate, this was just PP, means pulse pressure. Mean arterial pressure, MAP, I labeled as, this is basically we calculate, this is also a mathematical calculation. We calculate by diastolic blood pressure plus 1/3 of this pulse pressure. We calculate by this. Suppose normally in this value, if I calculate mean arterial pressure for these values, diastolic pressure is how much? 80 plus 1/3 of what? We are taking pulse pressure. Pulse pressure here is 40. So our mean arterial pressure will be 80 plus 1/3 of 40, 13 point something. We take 13 in gross figure. So what will be mean arterial pressure? 93 simply is mean arterial pressure for 120/80. And if I calculate for that mean arterial pressure, simply mean arterial pressure will be diastolic. Diastolic in second case is 90. Clear? And pulse pressure is 70. 1/3 of 70 is around 23. So 90 plus 23. What will be the value here? Here 90 plus this is 113. So 113 pulse pressure. For that we can also calculate the pulse pressure for that value. Clear? So in this way, this parameter is called mean arterial pressure. How we will calculate diastolic pressure plus 1/3 of pulse pressure is called mean arterial pressure. Clear? These are the terminologies which repeatedly come in the related with the that blood pressure. Generally hypertension is called when systolic or diastolic pressure increase than normal. This is called raised blood pressure or hypertension. That is a separate topic. Today we just give you orientation about this basic thing. Okay. तो आज हमने आपको बताया कि कुछ टर्मिनोलॉजीज़ हैं, जैसे हम ब्लड प्रेशर के बारे में पढ़ते हैं बुक में, एक लफ्ज़ लिखा होता है सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर, एक लिखा होता है डायस्टोलिक। सिस्टोलिक का मतलब जब हम ब्लड प्रेशर चेक करते हैं, जिसको ऊपर वाला ब्लड प्रेशर कहते हैं, जैसे किसी ने आपने चेक किया, आपको बताया गया कि आपका ब्लड प्रेशर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है 120/80। 120/80 का मतलब 120 जो है वो उसके अंदर सिस्टोलिक है, ज़्यादा प्रेशर है। जिस वक्त हार्ट कांटेक्ट कर रहा होता है, हार्ट सिस्टोल में होता है, उस वक्त वेसल के अंदर प्रेशर ज़्यादा होता है, वो 120। जब हार्ट डायस्टोल में होता है उस वक्त आर्टरीज के अंदर प्रेशर कम होता है। जब हम चेक करते हैं रीडिंग कम वाली आती है 80 वाली, उसको कहते हैं डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर। क्लियर? सिस्टोलिक डायस्टोलिक जो भी रीडिंग हो उन दोनों में कितने का फ़र्क है। जैसे अगर सिस्टोलिक 120 है, डायस्टोलिक 80 है, दोनों में कितने का फ़र्क है 40। सिस्टोलिक 160 हो, डायस्टोलिक 90 हो, दोनों में फ़र्क 70 का। सिस्टोलिक 110 हो, डायस्टोलिक 90 हो, दोनों में फ़र्क 20 का। तो ये जो वैल्यू फ़र्क आ रहा है दोनों का, इसको हम कहते हैं पल्स प्रेशर। ये पल्स नहीं है जो हम फील करते हैं, याद रखें। पल्स प्रेशर इज़ ए सेपरेट थिंग, pulse wave is a separate thing. Clear? So pulse pressure is difference, mathematical difference. मीन आर्टीरियल प्रेशर एवरेज प्रेशर कहलाता है आर्टीरियल ट्री में, सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन में। इसको हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, हम डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर के साथ ऐड कर देते हैं जो पल्स प्रेशर की वैल्यू है उसका 3rd पार्ट यानी 1/3। इस एग्जांपल में हम सपोज करते हैं डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर तो यहाँ 80 है और पल्स प्रेशर 40 है, तो 40 का 1/3 13 आता है। 13 को डायस्टोलिक के साथ ऐड किया 93। दूसरी एग्जांपल के लिए अगर हम निकालें, वहाँ डायस्टोलिक 90 है, पल्स प्रेशर 70 है, उसका 1/3 23 बनेगा, तो मिलाएंगे 113 बन जाएगा। तो इन दिस वे वी कैन कैलकुलेट पल्स प्रेशर आल्सो। ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच।